Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a RYOBI 1 18 volt crown stapler with compression drive technology and over 5,500 staples per charge. So let's open it and have a look inside. Inside there's a plastic bag. And this is the stapler. As you can see, it's quite a sturdy device and quite heavy, and that's without the battery. I've got some mechanical ones, but as I've got old arthritic hands, it's getting more and more difficult to use the manual staplers, so decided to buy this. Let's see what else is in the box. There's a small slither of staples and what looks like a belt hook and the instruction manual. I thought there'd be more in the box, but there isn't. And there's the instruction manual with a helpline. So we'll be giving this a try and seeing how well it works. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out the follow-on video when it comes along, so you'll need to subscribe to be informed about that. And check out my other videos and money saving tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.